Hello! Today I'm going to be setting up a Blink doorbell. So go into your Blink app and press the plus button at the top right hand side. And then choose from the list of options a Blink video doorbell. Now once you've unpacked the box, you'll see all the bits and bobs in there, and there's a QR code on the back of the device. Scan that and then choose whichever network, mine are wildlife and house, I'm going to choose the house one. Choose whichever network you want it to join. Now it gives some quite good comprehensive instructions, and here it's insert the batteries, and they're lithium AA batteries which have to be bought when you need replacements, but always go for the lithium. It does come with lithium batteries obviously. So we'll follow the instructions on the screen, wait until the red light blinks, and now as you can see it's adding the Blink video doorbell to your system. Here we wait for it to find the camera. And the usual updating firmware. It just takes a few moments to do this. And there we go, it's been added. If you click on the Mount Blink Video Doorbell button at the bottom, it'll take you through how to mount it. Shows you what exactly you need, and there are very comprehensive, good instructions. Now I'm not using a chime because I'm using the existing Blink minis. By using my existing Blink mini cameras, they will act as a chime and they make a noise when the doorbell is rung. But some very comprehensive instructions about capping off your old electricity supplies. Here, will you choose wedge or corner? So depending on what you've got, choose that one. Then it shows how to drill the holes and how to mount the doorbell. And as I say, very comprehensive, shows you exactly what to do. And once you've done each step, you just press the continue. And there we go, we're done. Now let's find the doorbell. Ah, there it is at the bottom. Now, a silly name, so put in your own name that you want to. I chose doorbell, not terribly original, I know. And then once you've done that, press the back button. And by pressing the back button it saves the settings. And that's what I was saying about using Blink mini cameras as the chime. So if you've got existing mini cameras, they're the ones that will make the noise when the doorbell goes, as well as sending a notification to your phone. So now we hit the settings opposite the doorbell name, and you can choose your settings in here. I'm going for best quality. And these are all my other Blink minis which I'm using as the chime. So you've got the volumes and things like that, because you can speak through it of course. And IR intensity is how bright the infrared is. And the re-trigger time and the sensitivity. These settings are very much trial and error, as wherever you mount your doorbell is a unique position, so you may need to change those settings to suit you. There we go, it's saving the settings. Now press on the picture button, which is the camera icon on the right, and you'll see it'll take a picture of what it currently sees. And that's me. I'm setting it up on the table indoors because it's a lot easier to do it that way. Now let's get it mounted and test it out. So there it is in position, just making sure all the, bit of mess there, just making sure all the seals are at the back okay and it's nice and flush. Now let's try it out. So we'll press the button, and you can hear it, and that echo in the background is the other mini cameras chiming as well. And this is the view from the front from the Blink camera of me doing that. There, all done, all working. Now inside the app we can set our zones for motion and things like that, and where to sense from, and you're good to go. That's how to set up a Blink video doorbell.